Alright guys, here's what you missed if you were not in science class today. Alright, so during this year, what we're going to do is we're going to be using a website called CK12. It's an online textbook. Okay, here is how you go into CK12. You come in here, and here is I'm going to use my chemistry classroom for an example. Make sure that you're on this week's chem. Okay, we already did the Monday assignment in the Monday video, I assume. Okay, we're on this video right now. So where it says the assignment, complete the practice on CK12 classroom. So what's going to happen is this link is going to send you right to oh, it's not. I lied. What it will do, I'll open it in chemistry because I did not set up the assignment yet in my freshman class. So here is what the assignment actually looks like if you're not in chemistry. Okay, so if you look at the instructions, it says CK12 Scientific Method. That's the assignment for today. You're going to log in with your Google account. All right. Now, this is my teacher account, so obviously it's going to look a little bit different, but you can use this little highlighting tool while you're reading. We're talking about the scientific method. So there's a little chart. Okay. They give you an example about a three-legged frog and the questions and the hypotheses that you're going to form. There's also a summary. I have highlighted the summary on my end. You can do it on your end too. You can pick the color. There's also a little video that you can click through. It gives you another example about experiments. Okay, at the bottom, and on your phone it's going to look like a little head. You're going to click View Practice. So mine says Preview. Yours is going to say Start. Okay, and you're going to start the practice. Okay, when you're done, so I can actually stop and come back to it if I want, but when you're finished and you've gotten 10 questions correct, you're going to hit stop, or you can go ahead and hit complete, and it will automatically turn in via Classroom on my end. Okay, so that's actually it for today. That's all I want you guys to do. Is to complete the scientific method practice on CK12 in Classroom. And again, if it doesn't actually show up with that link, it'll show up right up here in your classwork stream. Scientific method. All right, I will see you guys later.